strength recording length 04 minutes and 09 seconds. On January 6, 2016, North Korea released a statement announcing that it has successfully carried out a hydrogen bomb test. In light of its most recent claim, we take a look at the nation's military by numbers. All military figures quoted have been sourced from the Military Balance 2015, published by the International Institute for Strategic Studies. North Korea has one of the world's largest standing armies, with at least 1 million soldiers. However, although the secretive state does not release full details about its armed forces to the rest of the world, their weapons and equipment are believed to be largely obsolete when compared to major Western nations. Tanks. The nation's 3,500-odd tanks outnumber its arch-rival South Korea's fleet by over 1,000. Despite having a larger fleet, most of the North Korean tanks date back to the Soviet era. On the other hand, a major chunk of South Korea's 2,414 tanks are supplied by the U.S., fitted with modern weaponry and much more efficient artillery pieces. In terms of artillery, the North Korean army is in possession of over 21,000 pieces of equipment. Artillery pieces. It is believed that out of the total artillery equipment, many are targeted at Seoul, the South Korean capital city. Submarines. North Korea boasts of a fleet of at least 72 submarines, the highest in the world. The nation's nuclear weapons could become immune from destruction in case of an preemptive attack if hidden on board these submarines. In fact, North Korea is reportedly learning the technique. Frigates. The nation has 3 frigates, several types of warship, as part of its military possessions. Pictured. Digital satellite imagery of Nampo FFH, a North Korean. Conversely, the smaller-sized South Korean army boasts of 14 frigates currently. Pictured. Digital satellite imagery of a Soho-class missile frigate at Singyo Patrol Base in North Korea. Combat aircraft. The Korean People's Air Force has a fleet of 563 combat-capable aircraft. However, in 2014, each of those planes were grounded for a short period due to low maintenance and poor service. Aggressive military posturing. North Korea have always maintained an aggressive military posturing against countries it considers unfriendly, especially next-door neighbor South Korea. Most recently, tension escalated between the two countries in August 2015 when a North Korean landmine injured 2 South Korean soldiers. It resulted in the two countries engaging in artillery firing along the demilitarized zone, and North Korea beefing up its frontline troop strength overnight. The standoff eased after the two countries reached an agreement following discussions, and North Korea expressed regret over the landmine incident. Pictured. Military guard posts of South Korea, bottom, and North Korea, top, stand opposite each other as seen from the border city of Paju, South Korea, on August 21, 2015. Human testing for weapons. In June 2015, a North Korean scientist defected to Finland. He carried with him 15 gigabytes of information that showcased how the country's regime used humans to test its biological and chemical weapons. Biological weapons. Around the same time, the country released photos showing Kim Jong-un touring a pesticide factory called Pyongyang Biotechnical Institute. However, many experts believe that it could be a facility producing massive amounts of anthrax to be used in weapons. Chemical weapons. According to Nuclear Threat Initiative, North Korea is believed to be the 3rd largest possessor of chemical weapons. Cyber Army. Finally, North Korea's cyber military abilities are yet to be fully discovered. It is worth noting that the nation's cyber army has been blamed by the U.S. for the massive Sony hack that occurred in December 2014. This recording was created using Spoken Text, the online text-to-speech converter. To learn more about Spoken Text, visit www.spokentext.net.